Welcome to the world of elite speed and unstoppable ambition. In the heart of Monaco 2025, millionaire women aren't just living the dream, they're driving it. Buckle up. Subscribe for more luxury, power, and inspiration. Monaco, a tiny sovereign city-state nestled on the French Riviera, has always been synonymous with luxury, exclusivity, and the pinnacle of opulence. In 2025, it continues to uphold its legendary status, but with a fresh twist. Millionaire ladies are redefining the scene, and they're doing it behind the wheels of the world's most luxurious supercars. The rise of the millionaire women of Monaco, traditionally viewed as a playground for wealthy men, Monaco in 2025 showcases a remarkable shift in dynamics. A new generation of ultra-wealthy women are claiming their space, not just as socialites or heiresses, but as entrepreneurs, investors, influencers, and trailblazers in various industries. These women aren't waiting for wealth to come through inheritance or marriage, they're building empires and accumulating fortunes on their own terms. Whether it's tech founders, crypto queens, luxury fashion moguls, or real estate tycoons, these millionaire ladies are showing that financial power knows no gender. And with that power comes the desire to indulge in the finest expressions of wealth, most notably, high-end supercars. Supercars, the new symbol of feminine power. Gone are the days when the sight of a Bugatti, Ferrari, or Lamborghini automatically brought to mind a male driver. In Monaco today, it's not unusual to see a woman gracefully stepping out of a McLaren Artura in a silk pantsuit or revving the engine of a Pagani wiry roadster with freshly manicured hands on the wheel. Supercars have become an emblem of empowerment and independence for Monaco's elite women. These machines are more than just status symbols, they represent control, speed, and unrelenting ambition. Brands have caught on to this shift, with custom builds now featuring softer interior aesthetics, personalized colors, and performance tweaks to suit the preferences of their discerning female clientele. Influencers and icons, shaping culture behind the wheel. In 2025, social media continues to be a primary avenue for projecting lifestyle and influence. Millionaire women in Monaco are capitalizing on this more than ever. Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are awash with reels of women showcasing not only their enviable car collections but also their daily routines, business ventures, travel escapades, and luxury fashion. You'll find videos of women driving through Monte Carlo in a pearl-white Aston Martin DBX 707, stopping at Café de Paris for brunch, and then cruising along the coastline toward Cap Ferrat in a limited-edition Rolls-Royce Spectre. These platforms not only inspire, but also influence automotive and fashion trends globally. Luxury brands are now collaborating with these women for co-branded campaigns, understanding the massive market power they wield. Events and social circles. Every year, Monaco hosts some of the most glamorous events in the world, from the Monaco Yacht Show to the Grand Prix. In 2025, new events are emerging that center around the passions and lifestyles of affluent women. Ladies of Velocity, for instance, is a private supercar rally exclusively for women, winding through the Riviera and culminating in a champagne gala at the Hôtel de Paris. These gatherings are not just about glitz, they're networking hubs where business deals are struck, partnerships are formed, and future empires are imagined. In these circles, cars are conversation starters, symbols of success, and extensions of personal brands. In addition to exclusive car rallies, 2025 has seen the rise of boutique experiences tailored to these high-net-worth women. Luxury driving retreats, custom test drive events on private tracks, and hyper-personalized car unveilings hosted at historic estates are just some of the new phenomena reshaping luxury automotive culture. These events create a deeper connection between the driver and the machine, often resulting in lifelong brand loyalty and high-level collaborations between auto manufacturers and influential women. The future is female, and fast. Monaco in 2025 is a breathtaking blend of tradition and transformation. While it continues to dazzle with its grand casinos, designer boutiques, and glittering harbors, the spotlight is now shining on women who are driving change, literally and figuratively. Their supercars are not just machines of speed and engineering, they're vessels of a larger story, one of ambition, identity, and the redefinition of modern luxury. From the roar of engines in Casino Square to the quiet power lunches in hillside villas, these millionaire ladies are proving that they belong in the driver's seat, in every sense of the phrase. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe for more. In Monaco 2025, the ladies lead the way, and the world is following their trail of elegance and horsepower.